Hi, Jonathan York from IRG BOP, looking at the investment market in the week ahead. We're now just over 5.5 weeks away from Christmas, so things are starting to get tidied up towards the sort of year end. We're just about to put the Goodman Fielder issue to bed. That closes this Wednesday, so if you do have any applications out there, send them in ASAP. Issued in the marketplace, there's a further issue there from APN. It's going to be $100 million. Again, there's going to be no public pool. Interest rate is looking at the moment to be a little bit higher than 7.8. That's going to be the minimum rate, 7.8. It will be set after the issue closes. I say no public pool, so if you do have an interest out there, please call us to register that interest, and we'll send you out the investment statement. Also announced late last week was a potential issue from Infratel. For an infrastructure bond to replace some of their funding out there. That'll again will be around 5 years, but that will be a little bit higher, probably 8.15, 8.30, and that will be subordinated. But again, if you've got any interest in that, call us on 0800 867 323, and as soon as we have any further details, we'll be updating you. Equity is still trading reasonably firmly out there. Certainly the market has traded on the positive side. The big unknown out there is still the currency. Obviously the New Zealand dollar is particularly high, and also the Australian. And after the latest round of money printing out of the US, there is expected to be a further increase in flows into the emerging markets. And if you'd like to know how to take advantage of that, call us on 800 867 323. There are many different ways to access these markets, and some can also take advantage of potential currency movements as well. So you could just get a bit of a double hit on the returns you receive from the equities, and also a potential pickup from the currency as well. So if you're interested in discussing these, call us on 0800 867 323. Thank you. Now I'd like to pass you over to Phil Segcall for the mortgage commentary.
Thank you, Jonathan. On the mortgage rate side this week, there were slight decreases in interest rates, generally around the 1 and 2 year rates from the BNZ and Westpac, but nothing substantially major or anything like that, and there hasn't been a great rush of anything on the market. As far as the general mortgage side of it goes, there is a huge bank in the middle, which is just your general mum and dad mortgage, and they are the ones that specifically should come and see a mortgage broker. One, to make the job a lot easier for them, and two, to make sure that they're getting the right structure so they can get rid of their loan sooner than rather than later. And as always, there's no cost to the mortgage broking side of it, but it means that you get an across-the-board look at every finance option that's available to you, and make sure you're on the right lines.
Thanks for that, Phil. So call us on 0800 867 to discuss any of these points, or go to the website www.irgbop.co.nz. Lots of interesting articles. There's the APN investment statement there. There will be the Infratel as soon as we get further details on that, and we look forward to speaking to you soon. Thank you.